It's in the passenger side door well. See it there? You hear the click. You come to the front of the car and you see the badge, and if you look under you can see the yellow handle. That's nice bright colour. My fingers are on the yellow handle. I just lift and up she comes, and it's got telescopic struts, which is that's also always a lovely feature. Okay, so you check all your levels, you replace all the caps, you don't leave any tools lying around. And let's have a look at the mechanism there. There you are. So the official way to shut these, which I think is a bit brutal, is you drop them from about a foot or 30 centimeters, and you heard the good clack there, and then you just test that you can't lift. And that's fully closed.